Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable sleep in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Method 1. Via Settings. Press the Windows key +I to open Settings. Go to System, then go to Power. Expand the Screen and Sleep option. Set all the options to Never, especially the when plugged in. Put my device to sleep after option in the on battery power. Put my device to sleep after option. Method 2. Via Control Panel. Go to the Start menu. Search for Control Panel and click the top result to open the app. In the category view, click on System and Security. Then click on Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings behind the plan you selected, balanced in most cases. Set the Put the computer to sleep option to Never, and click Save Changes. Add or remove sleep option to or from the power menu. Now from the power options screen, click on the Choose what the power button does option from the left pane. Then click on the Change Settings that are currently unavailable option. Check or uncheck the sleep option to add or remove it to or from the power menu. Finally, click on Save Changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.